Hello, I'm Autumn Russell, and I'm the Executive Director of Magnet's Early College Early Career Program, commonly referred to as ECEC. ECEC has three essential objectives. The first is to raise awareness about manufacturing careers, especially among inner-city youth. The second is to develop successful career pathways for students. And the third is to reinvigorate STEM education and youth career apprenticeships to produce more skilled workers for our region's workforce.
ECEC helps me reach my goal by opening doors that would normally not be available to me, and it's a beautiful thing.
We believe ECEC is innovative for two reasons. First, ECEC is driven by employers. We are developing new partnerships between companies, high schools, and community colleges that have never existed before.
I'm thoroughly thrilled with the program. It's the best program I've been involved in.
Second, we've created ECEC with inclusion in mind. All of our activities are meant to improve gender and racial equity in manufacturing by focusing on high schools in low-income communities.
ECEC has impacted my life in a very large amount, considering my stepfather thought that I was going to be 16, pregnant, and a drug addict, but now I have a car, a beautiful apartment, and a full-time job, and I'm going to college.
The ECEC program means a lot to me because before I came to this program, I did not know what I was going to do in my life. I was lost. So this program helped me shape my future. Since I started the ECEC program, my mom really looks at me different now because before I didn't know what I was going to do in my life. She'd ask me what you want to be when you grow up. I say a basketball player, but she knows deep down the chances of that is slim. But now when she say what you want to do when you grow up, I say I want to work at Lincoln Electric, be a welder, and do manufacturing for the rest of my life because it's a good career and I really like it.
This program has taught me more responsibility and time management.
So how does ECEC work? Our goal is to get students to graduate with an industry-recognized certification, work experience, a job offer, and a subsidized pathway to college. To get there, we start by raising awareness. We want every student to understand that manufacturing is cool, it's challenging, and exciting. But it's not enough to just get students excited. We have to get their parents and teachers supportive of manufacturing as well. In 11th and 12th grades, we place students in paid internships at local companies. Students experience welding, machining, plastic injection molding, and so much more. ECEC students will graduate with recognized, portable, and stackable credentials, as well as college credits. Throughout the program, we provide mentorship, we teach soft skills, and we offer students the support they need to succeed. We're building this model so that it can be implemented in other communities.
This is a fun program, but you have to be able to work hard and put an effort in it. So if you want to have fun and work hard, then I think this program is for you.
If you're interested in learning more about ECEC, we'd love to talk to you. You can learn more online or simply send us an email.